Nowadays, everyone wants to create animation videos and earn money from them. And right now, animated content like kids sleep stories, kids stories, and simple animated videos is trending a lot. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what we are going to learn and create. We will create a complete animation video, step by step, from story creation to final video, using only 2 AI tools and very simple steps. First, we will create the story. Then, we will generate images or start frames. After that, we will convert those images into videos, add voiceover, and do simple editing. I'm explaining everything in a very beginner-friendly way. So even if you're new, you can easily follow along. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt that I've shared in the description. With this prompt, we will get everything from A to Z. To make things clearer, we will make a few changes in between, because this prompt gives everything together. Now we will tell ChatGPT to give separate image prompts in one place, because we want character consistency. So we will ask ChatGPT to give us detailed character prompts and also tell us which character is needed in which scene. We will simply type, give character prompts in detail, and also tell me which character is required in which scene. And ChatGPT will give us everything exactly according to our requirements. Now we will copy the first character prompt, open Whisk AI, click on subject, then click on the pencil icon, paste the prompt, and generate our first character. In the same way, we will copy the second character prompt, click on the plus icon, paste the prompt, and generate the second character. We will repeat the same process for the third and last character. Now for scene 1, we will copy the character names and their actions, paste them into Whisk, and then paste the scene 1 prompt in the same place. Make sure that only the characters selected in Whisk are the ones mentioned by ChatGPT. After that, we will select the aspect ratio. I'm choosing 16:9 because I'm creating this video for YouTube. You can select the ratio according to your platform. Then click on Go and you will get your first image. Next, we will do the same for scene 2. Copy the character names, actions, and scene prompt, keep the correct characters selected, choose the aspect ratio, and click Go. For scene 3, we will again copy the character name and actions. Here, only one character is required, so we will unselect the others, keep only the required character selected, and click Go. Up to this point, I have explained the complete image generation process. You can follow the same steps to complete all remaining scenes. If you're understanding this and finding the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's move ahead. Once all the images are generated, download them. Whisk gives 2 images. You can download whichever one you like. After downloading all images, we will come back to ChatGPT and type, give a detailed video prompt with cinematic sound effects and no dialogue. Then we will copy the first scene prompt and open Flow. VO3. Click on New Project, select Frame to Video. If you're using the free plan, keep it on Fast. If you're on a paid plan, you can select Quality. Now choose the aspect ratio and keep the output ratio as 1. Paste the prompt, then click on the plus icon, upload the first image, crop and save it, and make sure the aspect ratio remains the same. Once the image appears, click on Go, and your first video scene will be ready. Remember one important thing. Always upload the same image for the scene whose prompt you're using. Repeat the same process for all remaining scenes. Once all video scenes are ready, download them. You can upscale them if you want. I'm downloading them in original size. Now we will come back to ChatGPT again and type, create a story script as a narrator telling the story. ChatGPT will give the script with timings. Since I'm using the ElevenLabs normal plan, I will remove the numbers. So I will type again, exclude numbers. Now copy the final story and open ElevenLabs. Select text to speech, paste the story, choose a voice, and click Generate Speech. Once the audio is ready, download it. Now open your editing software. Place the video clips on the timeline. Add the narration audio and a very soft background music. Keep the background music low and the narration clear. While listening to the narration, adjust the video speed. If the narrator is speaking slowly, slightly slow down the video clips. Remove any extra background music where needed. To make the video smooth, add transitions between scenes. You can also use AI captions, which are available in almost every editing tool nowadays. Generate captions and make small edits if needed. If you do just this much editing, you will already have a good quality YouTube video. As you keep practicing, you will automatically learn more features. Just stay curious like a child while editing. Finally, export the video.
Remembers kindness. The animals gathered together, sharing care and hope. Their gentle hearts awakened a brighter magic than any shadow could create. Light returned to the forest. The deer opened her eyes, and the darkness lifted and faded away. Because kindness, once given, always finds its way back.